Krüger Industrial Automation is an automation company. We have around 70 employees and are engaged with everything there is to do within the field of automating a process or machine with a robot. Quite often, we use overhauled used robots in our systems. For small and medium-sized enterprises, this can be a considerable price benefit, as buying a new machine can be very expensive. We offer a full service for our general overhauled robots, with our own service department, who are there to help if necessary. What fascinates me about robots is that they're a universal machine. Today we're working in a forge, tomorrow it's cleanroom production, and in the food industry the day after. So, for our construction engineers, programmers, our specialist technicians, the field of robots never gets boring. And that's what makes the whole thing so enjoyable.